Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from Lawyerist.com. Lawyerist is a community for small firm lawyers to learn from each other, support each other, and to have fun while building successful client-centered law firms. Today I'm going to review FreshBooks, cloud-based timekeeping and billing software that has extensively customizable invoicing capabilities and is designed for the small business market. It allows you to track time, invoice, bill clients, and more. Let's take a look at some of FreshBooks' highlights and features, and then we'll go over a few other things that you might want to know. Highlights: customizable invoices. Their invoicing feature is highly customizable, allowing attorneys to quickly add logos and other personalized touches such as a thank you email. Multi-language invoices and multi-currency are also available. Accepting payments. FreshBooks allow you to accept payments via credit card, and it automates the process of following up with clients about late invoices, which can be very helpful to attorneys who would like to get away from needing to repeatedly email clients asking for payment. You're also able to set up recurring auto billing for clients that you bill monthly for services. When you receive payments, the software will automatically record the payment and deposit it to your bank account. Reports. Several types of reports are available in FreshBooks. You can run an accounts aging report, a profit and loss statement, a summary of profits and outstanding revenue, and more. For those of you in small firms, you can see how all attorneys are doing with their billing and invoicing in just a few clicks. The reports can help you stay on track financially. Pricing. Monthly plans are priced on a per client basis. It's $15 a month to bill up to 5 active clients. It's $25 a month to bill up to 25 active clients. And it's $50 a month to bill up to 500 active clients. Yearly plans save you 10%. All plans allow you unlimited invoices and estimates, allow you to track time and expenses, accept online credit card payments, and import expenses from your bank account. You'll also be able to customize those invoices and keep track of everything through its dashboard. Give FreshBooks a try before you buy. It offers a 30-day no credit card required free trial. If none of the above plans seem right for you or you bill out more than $150,000 a year, you can reach out to learn more about FreshBooks Select, which may be a better fit for you. Features. Of the features we track in our directory, FreshBooks has time tracking, invoicing, expense tracking, and online payments. It also has estimates, reporting, and project management capabilities. It does not accept payments, allow recurring payments, or issue refunds, to name a few. You can find the full list of features we track on the FreshBooks review page on Lawyerist.com. And if you're not sure what some of the features we track mean, check out the time and billing page on our website to get definitions for each feature we track. Some things you might want to know. Security. Information traveling between your browser and FreshBooks is protected with 256-bit SSL encryption. Both the application and your data rest behind firewalls. Sensitive information such as credit card numbers and bank account information are encrypted in FreshBooks database using AES Advanced Encryption Standard. FreshBooks uses redundant servers and your data is replicated across multiple databases, which ensures that a single database failure won't cause data loss. Data is backed up nightly and stored in an off-site location. Migration. You can import your clients into FreshBooks via a CSV, comma-separated value, file. FreshBooks provides a sample file to help you format your file. Apps and integrations. FreshBooks has both iOS and Android applications. It integrates with about 25 programs, including Zapier, Stripe, and Google's G Suite. It's not accounting software. Although FreshBooks markets itself as cloud accounting, its use of the word accounting is misleading at best. FreshBooks is not a replacement for actual accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks, in part because it uses single-entry accounting. FreshBooks is excellent timekeeping and billing software with some nice-to-have features like expense tracking, but it is missing features that are standard in actual small business accounting software. In summary, FreshBooks is a good choice for solo and small firms that want a solution that allows them to easily track time and who also have a practice that demands frequent recurring billing. The software isn't perfect, but most of its foibles aren't deal breakers. For example, some default settings aren't customizable and make it clunky for some users, and it doesn't allow line item level discounting, but it does do subtotal level discounting. The software has a very low bar for allowing clients to initiate chargebacks, which can be annoying, and its reporting functionality could be more user-friendly. Thanks for watching Lawyerist.com's FreshBooks review. To learn more, check out our time and billing features comparison chart, and check out our other time and billing pages at Lawyerist.com.